Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis' AC Lab, and today I'm back with another video. I'm not quite sure, part 2 or 3 I think of building an IC card body for my homemade IC card. So, to start with, I'm working more on the front, and I'm working on the grill and stuff that goes on the front. Right now, I'm gluing that in place. I'm just working on gluing everything, and I'm putting glue around the edges and using a piece of cardboard to scrape it to a nice smooth edge instead of indentation like there normally is in cardboard. Now I'm trying to use some paper to hold it down a little bit, but then I just decide to make some cardboard pieces and glue them in place instead. I start drawing out the piece. It will be a piece that goes all the way around where the wheel goes. Now I cut the top around the edge more so it will fit a little bit better. And then I measure it so I find out how to cut the top. Then I cut the top so it will fit nicely there. Next I cut it a little bit so I can shape it so it will flare out a little bit around the wheel. Then I start drawing places where I'm going to cut more too. Then I bend it a little bit more. I'm going to completely get this side down and then replicate it for the other side. I'm bending it out and getting to look pretty much how I want it to look. So now I just have to make how it will fit up with the other panel. I cut it so it fits a little bit better with it. I'll be removing some of the other panel and gluing it in place where that is. Now I replicate it for the other side. Then I cut it so it can look like the other side. And I bend it to shape. Next I figure out where I need to cut the other panel and draw a line and then cut it. I then glue that piece in place. Next I'll do the other side. And I'm thinking, and then later I'm thinking I'm going to cover this in aluminum foil coat that will look a nice metal, because I'm thinking that I'm not going to paint this kind, just leave it looking like metal later. I'll probably be saying that in the next episode. Next day, it's getting ready to glue on the other side. And I cut up the piece. Then I cut out a little bit of the top, because where the window is going to go later. When I glue back on the other piece, it'll match up with the window then. I do that on both sides. So then I glue it in place. And I cut it a little bit smaller so it will fit just a little bit better. If you guys like these kind of videos, could you please tell me in the comments so I know if I should make more of these or if I should start doing them at normal speed and then talk while building and just do cuts or whatever, or if you like the sped up footage where I talk over it so you can see how I do everything. So whichever version you like better, you could just tell me in the comments. And also if you would like to see me build more AC code bodies or whatever other kind of projects you'd like me to do, just tell me in the comments and I'll probably do some of the ideas you guys give me. Now I'm working on doing the piece for going around the back wheels. It'll be kind of the same as the front, except it won't come out quite so much and be quite so fancy, so it's a little bit easier to make. And once I do this, that'll be about all for making the body itself, except for the top and the back. I'll probably do, and then I'll just need to cover it in aluminum foil and stuff, and then maybe add some dark paint around edges and stuff to make it look older. And I think that should look pretty cool. So I now finished the first one, I'm replicating it for the other side. And also if you like that live stream I did on Friday and you would like to see more, just tell me in the comments. I'll probably be doing another one later this week. Now I've almost finished the back piece and I'm just figuring it out a little bit more and cutting it down so it will fit even better. So now I'm just gluing the first one in place. And I'm just cutting down the other one too, so it will fit just fine. And then I glued in place. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button. So that's all for this video. Bye.